Welcome to the next third edition of Fireworks Demo Showcase, where I demo a handful of fireworks from my stash and beyond. And today we're going to demo a handful of items as a tribute to the ball shell. And as you already know, ball shells are starting to become a dying breed in the consumer fireworks line. And we got 6 different kinds of ball shell here, from different brands and different effects. The first one we have is the top shelf from Dominator. It's the smallest one and probably the mightiest. As you've seen in my previous demo showcase, these shells packed quite a punch. And this one's actually slightly newer than the other ones I demoed, as this one actually has the effect labeled on it. The other ones did not. So hopefully it'll still be just as good as the other box that I demoed. It's got a brocade with green strobe effect on that shell. We got the Outclass Shell from Winda. You've seen these quite a bit in my fireworks shows lately, including the Labor Day and just some random demos featuring these shells, since I have quite a few of these shells stocked up. We got the All Up a Graceful Mine, which is a ball shell with a mine effect. Next to that, we got the Texas Outlaw Double Blast, Double Break Shell. Looks really decent, and it's a very tightly wrapped double break ball shell. Next to that is a larger double break shell from the Avengers kit from Outclass Fireworks. As you can see, the effects are actually labeled on this shell. Blue Star. Oh, this is knocked over the other one. We got Blue Star and Red Star. And then speaking of the Avengers, here's the triple break shell that also came in that kit. Focus, please. Thank you very much. And as you can see, it's a Red Star. Oh, it's not even in the frame. My bad. Red Star, Green Star, and Blue Star. As you can see, the shell is kind of messed up too. As you can see, it's kind of bent in 2 different places, as you can see. I tried to straighten it out as much as I could, but I couldn't really do it. And you may notice these interesting devices that I have on these fuses. These are my take on homemade fuse extensions. You'll see what these things will do. Hopefully they'll work as I intended them to. As you saw in my previous video with the echo in the ears, I didn't have enough time to run back and show you the full effect of each shell. So might as well do something different here and see if this will work. See, I got these little tubes of powder taped into the fuse here. Hopefully it'll work. And we got some cakes that we'll be shooting off as well. We got the Orange Sky from Dominator. Here's the effects of this cake. 10-shot orange tails bursting to orange peonies with green strobe, unique color. And we got the Evil Clown from Cutting Edge, which is basically the miniature version of the Outclass Evil Clown. Well, same artwork. I'm sure they're different effects, but here we go. Green comet tail to white glitter with crackling. There you go. Better focus right there. See, I like the artwork on these cakes. Pretty cool. And then we got some Roman candles. We got 2 of these Maddox Pro-Ox shell candles. They're 5-ball or 5-shot. These look to be solid candles from the couple of demos that I've seen, but we're gonna do a more in-depth look at these candles now. I got 2 of them I'm gonna demo off. I got 2 packs of these, so I might as well just demo a couple of them and see what they do. Up here we got skyrockets. I am gonna get rid of the rest of that pack of smiling from ear to ear rockets, as I saw those have a pretty bad reliability rate. As you can see, We got 3 of them up there from that one pack. And then I still have a full pack in my stash, but I might plan to shoot those next weekend. You got 2 Jet Screamer rockets. These are still probably one of my favorite consumer ball shell rockets out there. One short stick, one long stick. And we got some special items as well. You got this. This is actually homemade. I actually made this back in Labor Day. Hopefully it works. The fuse is kind of crappy. You've seen this a couple times before too. It got this soccer ball device that has a similar fuse on it. Heard this is a pretty decent cracker though, so we'll see. And we got this gigantic pink tissue wrapped canister thing. This thing will be pretty insane, I have to tell you. So every showcase I'll probably end with a bang, and this will be the bang for sure. Or at least a couple bangs, hopefully. But this will definitely be a bang for sure. Okay, we'll see you at the shoot site, and enjoy. Nice comets. That was it. Alright. We got tribute to the ball shell. We got 2 different ball shells here. We got 6 total. Here's a top shell from Dominator and an Outclass from Winda. Here we go. We also have Pimp Daddy 28 here as well. He's gonna be doing. Alright. Do these. I got these devices on these fuses, so it should give me a little bit of extra time. Let's see. Clay. Fuse extensions. Very colorful ones. Oh, one didn't go off. Oh, there we go. Now, oh, they both went off. There we go. Top shelf and Outclass. Whoa. And that was a, not sure what kind of canister shell that was. Alright, all up with Graceful Mine by Winda. And Double Blast by Texas Outlaw. This thing has a fuse extension, and it works. Here comes the triple break. This one was crooked. Alright, here's the very faulty smiling from ear to ear rockets. Better get your heads up. Nice accent to those rockets. Alright, I got a third one. Those actually worked. Hard to believe. Alright. Here comes the next one. This is the third one in that pack that I showed you. Let's see if this one works. Ooh, we actually got the smiley. Jet Screamer rockets. One short stick, one long stick. Not sure if that will make the height difference any better, but here we go. All right, Orange Sky by Dominator. All right. Okay, I'm gonna do a bonus demo. One more echo in the ear for you. I think this one's Thai chrysanthemum, or red wave with crackle. Or red wave with glitter. Okay, really nice. All right, mystery cracker number 2. Hopefully this one works. All right, we're gonna end this with a real bang. Mystery cracker number 3, the largest. Wow. Wow.